Hi foodies, welcome back again. Let me introduce you to one of my friends, Anagha Railkar.
Hi Rupali.
So she is going to show us one of her amazing Thanksgiving recipes. Do you want to say something about it?
Yes, thank you Rupali for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to show my wonderful recipe.
You're welcome.
And do you remember this is the recipe our kids enjoy and they
Yes,
look forward to have it for every Thanksgiving party?
they love it. Everyone loves it. Do you want to tell them what recipe you are showing today?
Yes, we are going to make cranberry fluff today.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So I can wait for you to show us this recipe. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Come on. We need fresh pitted cranberries and they have been washed and ready to be used. Pulse them for a few times to crush roughly. We need them to be chunky, so don't puree them. This is the consistency we need for the recipe. Now we will add the sugar to extract the tartness from the cranberries, and for this we will need to mix the sugar well and keep it aside for about 4 to 5 hours. However, ideally they need to be kept covered overnight in the refrigerator. While that is happening, let me show you her awesome kitchen. It's beautiful with a huge island in between, perfect for parties and lots of food. Let's get back to the recipe. It's been approximately 5 hours and the cranberries have been in the sugar long enough to release the juice. We have to strain the juice and you can either discard it or use it to make cocktails, mocktails or some cranberry soda. It's your choice. The pulp is what we really need for the recipe. She is using Cool Whip, which is frozen whipped cream, but you can also use heavy whipped cream. Just mix it until well combined. This is a very easy, no cook, no bake dish and everyone loves it a lot. Now here she is using canned mandarin oranges because sometimes fresh oranges may be sour. All the ingredients are 1 cup measurements from here on. Mix well and we will move on to the next one. She is adding fresh chopped red grapes. Again, mix well. Every Thanksgiving we look forward for this dish and there is practically no leftovers. Now she is using a total of 1 cup of chopped pecans and chopped walnuts for the lovely nutty crunch in the dish. It's getting better and better with each addition, don't you think? Here we have mini marshmallows and oh, they taste so good mixed with the other ingredients. Now we are ready to serve, but it's best served chilled. What an amazing recipe, right? Thank you for watching. Wow, I can't wait to try this recipe.
Yeah, looks amazing, right?
Yeah, shall we try?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
It is so Thanksgiving-y.
Thank you for such a wonderful recipe.
You are welcome.
I wish you guys could try this recipe. Please do try this recipe at home this Thanksgiving. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, show some love, and I will see you next week with another recipe. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.